Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 Home Services project. In this video, we are going to learn about add new service. So let's see how can we add new services. First of all, let's create a new Livewire component for adding new services. So switch to the command prompt, and for creating the new Livewire component, just type here the command php artisan make livewire space directory name admin slash component name admin add service component. Okay, now press enter. Component created. Now run the application. So write here php artisan serve. Alright, now switch to the project and let's create the route for this component. So just go inside the routes directory, then open a web.php file, and inside the admin middleware route group, just create here a new route. So write here route get, add here the URI admin service add. Okay, then write here the class name admin add service component class. All right, also give the route name. So write here name admin dot add service. All right, now let's open the class file, admin add service component class file. Okay, so just go inside the app directory, then http livewire admin, and from here let's open this one admin add service component.php file. Okay, and here first of all add here the layout. So write here arrow layout and then layouts dot layout name, which is base. All right, now let's open the view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, livewire admin, and from here let's open this one admin add service component.blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file let's remove all the text, and now let's open this one admin add service category component.blade.php file, and from here let's copy all the text and paste inside this view file. Okay, now let's change here the titles. So just remove this category add service here. Okay, and here also remove this one. All right, and now inside the form, let's add here the input field for service name. So just remove this category. Okay, and just write here the name, and this is for slug, and here service image. Okay, and let's copy this and paste for the thumbnail. Okay, this is for image and this is for thumbnail. So write here thumbnail, and also change here the name thumbnail. All right, now let's copy this one and paste here for the tagline, service tagline. Okay, tagline, and another field for service category. Just write here service category, and remove this input field text field, and add here the select control. Okay, so write here select and class form dash control. All right, and inside this just pass here the option value, and then select service category. Okay, and after this just add here the for each, and inside the class file, inside the render method, just fetch here the all categories. So write here categories is equal to service category this one, colon colon all. Okay, and now just pass this categories to the view. So here add the big bracket, then categories, arrow, dollar categories. Alright, now inside the view file, here at the rate for each dollar categories as dollar category. And now just close here the for each int for each, and inside this just add here the option value is equal to double curly bracket dollar category arrow id. Okay, and just close here the option, and inside the option print here the category name. Okay, so right here dollar category arrow name. All right, now curly bracket. Okay, now let's copy this and paste for the price, and then discount. Okay, and change here that label price, and here discount. All right, and then description, and here let's remove this input text field and add here the text area class form dash control, and close this. And now let's copy for the inclusion and exclusion. Okay, so paste 2 times, and this is for inclusion. Okay, and here for exclusion. Alright, and inside the submit button just change here the text, add service. Alright, now go to the class file, and inside this class file let's create some properties here. So right here public dollar first property name, then slug tagline, service category id, service underscore category underscore id, then price, discount, and discount type, alright, another property which is image, service image, and thumbnail, description, and then inclusion, exclusion. Okay, inclusion and then exclusion. Alright, now let's bind this property to the form. So go to the view file, and here for service name wire colon model is equal to name, this is right, here slug, and here tagline, service category id. So here just write wire colon model is equal to service category id, this one. Let's copy and paste here. Okay, and also paste here tagline, and for validation tagline slug name, and for discount and one more field for discount type. Okay, and here price. So for discount type, let's copy this one and paste here and remove this input text field and add here the select control. Select class formed as control and wire colon model is equal to discount type property name. Okay, discount underscore type. And here just add two option, value blank. Okay, and here just write here the text, select category, service category. Okay, and added two option. First option is fixed, value is equal to fixed, and another is percent. Okay, percent. Also add here discount type, and for description bind the property, write here wire colon model is equal to description, this one, copy and paste here and also paste here. Okay, and for inclusion, wire colon model is equal to inclusion and also paste here. And for exclusion, wire colon model is equal to exclusion. Okay, thumbnail, and here is the service image. Okay, so for thumbnail, let's copy this property name thumbnail and paste here, also change here. Okay, inside the if thumbnail, alright, and this is for the service image. Okay, everything is good. Now let's create a function for generating the slug. So let's copy this function name and go to the class file, and after this let's create here functions. Right here public function and function name generate slug, and here just write all like this arrow slug is equal to str colon slug, and inside this just pass here the service name dollar this arrow name and add here the separator dash. Okay, and also import here the str. So right here use str, this one. Now let's create the function for creating the new service. So right here public function and function name create service, and inside this, first of all just write here the validation, added the validation $this arrow validate big bracket, and inside this let's add here this property. Okay, so let's copy this property and paste here. Okay, and now make multiple selection and add here single quote and remove this single quote arrow, and then add here the validation. Okay, so right here required, name required, okay, and slug required, tagline required, this one also required, price, discount not required, so remove this, and also remove this, discount type, image required, thumbnail required, and these are required. Okay, and for image also add here the MIMES type, MIMES type. Okay, and just write here two format, JPEG and PNG, and let's copy this and paste inside the thumbnail. Alright, and also add here one more lifecycle hook method which is updated. So right here public function updated, and pass one argument which is fields, and inside this function just write here $this arrow validate only, and first pass here the fields, and then big bracket, and inside this big bracket just copy this property. Okay, and paste here. And after adding the validation, just write here $service is equal to new service. Alright, then $service arrow name is equal to $this arrow name. Let's copy this and paste here multiple times. Now change here the property, just write here slug, then tagline, after this service category ID, service underscore category ID, and then price, discount type, okay, and then thumbnail image, and then service image. Okay, so thumbnail and here image, description, inclusion, exclusion. Okay, inclusion, and here exclusion. Alright, and before and for the thumbnail, first of all just create here the image name. So for that just write here $image name is equal to carbon : now, and then call here the timestamp, and concatenate with dot sign, then $image $thumbnail arrow extension. Alright, $this arrow thumbnail. Also add here the concatenation sign, and after this $this arrow thumbnail arrow storage, and add here the directory name, which is services slash thumbnails. Okay, and after this just add here the comma and pass here the image name, dollar this one. And now this image name, just remove this and paste here. Okay, and now do same thing for the service image. So let's copy this and these two lines and paste here. Okay, and change here the name, image name to here to, and also change here and write here image. And change here the directory name and just remove this thumbnail, only services. Okay, and after this just call here dollar service arrow save method. Okay, and now return here a message, sorry, just write here session and call the flash method and pass key here message and just write here a message, service has been created, service successfully. Okay, and now everything is done. Let's copy this function name, create services, and go to the view file, and inside the form submit just remove this function name and paste here. Okay, now save this file. And one more thing, let's import here the with file upload. So right here use Livewire / with file upload, and inside the class just write here use with file uploads. Okay, now save this file. For inclusion or exclusion is ION. Okay, spelling mistake here. For inclusion and exclusion, just add here, for separating each line just use here str underscore replace and replace each line with pipe sign. Okay, and also call here the trim function, and inside this trim function just pass this one. Okay, and then just close. And now let's copy this and paste for the exclusion. Copy this and paste here. Okay, this function will replace each new line with this pipe sign. Okay, service arrow, inclusion, exclusion. Alright, now save this file. Now everything is done. So all also change here the text all services. Okay, and here route name for all services, this one. Let's copy and paste here, and now save this file. Okay, now let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. And one more thing, add here the link for the add new. Okay, so let's open this one, all services. This one admin service component.php file. Okay, and you can see here this is the link for add new services, and inside this href just right here double curly bracket route and just pass here admin dot add service. Okay, now save this file and now let's check. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Now click on add new and you can see here the form for adding new service. Alright, if I click on add service, you can see here the validation message. Alright, now let's enter the service name. So right here new test service. Okay, and here is the tagline for new service. Choose the category, price, okay, discount, and add here the description, inclusion. Let's add the first inclusion, one inclusion in one line. Okay, second inclusion and third inclusion. Okay, and add here the exclusion, first exclusion, second exclusion, and then third exclusion. Now browse the thumbnail image. Okay, so click let's like this one and you can see here the preview image. Okay, now select the service image. All right, now click on add service and you can see here the service has been created successfully. Alright, now just check. So click on all services and if I click on next, and you can see here the newly created service. Here is the name, thumbnail image, price, status, category, and this is the date. Alright, so in this way you can create new service. So that's all about adding new service. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.